Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your bio and your location on your Xbox profile on Xbox Series X. So if you don't want people seeing any of this information, it's very easy to go ahead and hide it. So I have my location and then my bio. To turn this off, you want to go up to the top and go to Settings, go to General, and then go to Online Safety and Family. Then go to Privacy on Online Safety right there, and then go to Xbox Privacy. Then under here, go to Custom, and go to View Details and Customize. Then go to Profile right here. Then the first option is Others can see your Xbox profile details. Decide who can see your Xbox profile bio and location. So you can switch from everybody, friends, to block, and that will completely turn it off. Nobody will be able to see your profile. And then there will be other options under here, like see other people's Xbox profiles, decide whether you can view other people's profiles, then how you look, your name is from your Microsoft account, your real name, you can share your real name with friends of friends. So come to this section and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.